You see, the reason why I show up to the basketball court as much as I do, it keeps me motivated. It keeps me energetic. It keeps me driven. And most importantly, it keeps me healthy. Because you know, as they say, a ball is life. When you feel that leather, flick off the fingertips and then the ball swishes into the rim, man, that makes you feel good about yourself, man.
What's good, people? In today's video, I'm going to do a review of Dehancer Pro. I want to give a big shout out to Dehancer for reaching out to me to try out and to test out and to review their product. This is not a paid review. This is just my honest thoughts and my honest opinion. As you always watch my YouTube videos, I always tell you that I'm going to share my thoughts and my honest opinion. I don't get paid for this. Dehancer Pro is a complete film emulation. So you're talking about 60 plus film profiles, you're talking about film grain, you're talking about halation, bloom, and the list goes on. It's an all-in-one complete package. Everything is packaged in just one place. So it's easy to work around, it's easy to grade your footage, to emulate the film look. What I was doing in the past, because I was aiming for that film look, so what I was doing is that I was taking assets from different websites. Let's look at the film grain. I was taking random film grains from free websites, and the problem I was encountering is that I had so many files of random files, and sometimes it was difficult to find the film grain that I wanted, and sometimes the film grain didn't look as realistic as enough. It just looked like just an overlay put on the footage. But what I like about Dehancer is that the film grain is so realistic, it looks like it was actually shot on film. The other good thing is that you've got halation. I struggled in the past. I was trying to look at tutorials on how to create halation and it didn't look good. But with Dehancer, everything looks perfectly made. I know there's a lot of discussion in terms of the pricing of the product. Some people say it's too expensive. Some people say it's all right because they're giving you an all-in-one product. Some people say it's not a good product to get because DaVinci Resolve also has their product. But what I'm trying to say with you, like what I said in these videos, I'm not sponsored. I don't get paid by Dehancer. I'm just telling you my honest opinion. I kind of get where they're coming from, where they've put everything in one package. You're talking about 60 plus film profiles. You're talking about old halation, bloom. You're talking about everything is just in one package. So it makes sense how they've priced it. Because if you look at it, in the past, what we'll be doing is that you would go, you get someone's power grade, maybe it's worth about 90 pounds. Then you go to another website, you see someone with a power grade that you like, and you pay another 90 pounds. These power grades are not cheap. By the time you realize you've almost spent the same amount as just getting this all-in-one package where you have everything in one place, and you also have a LUT generator, you're able to create your own style of LUTs. So I totally get where they're coming from. But there's one thing that I don't like that I would want Dehancer to work on, which is something they need to improve on in terms of their software and their plugin. One of the things that I kind of found a problem with was it's quite taxing on the computer. In the past, when I was using other people's power grades, it's smooth, the playback is smooth. But when you put all the grades on Dehancer, everything just slows down. And when it comes to rendering the footage, it just slows down. I'm using a MacBook M1 Pro, the 14-inch version, and it's faster when it comes to rendering. A 3-minute video would take me about a minute or 2 minutes to render. But whenever I put the plugin and add all these filters, it literally slows down the entire process. And when I'm rendering, what was supposed to take me 2 minutes to render is now taking me 20 minutes to render. So this is one thing I would ask Dehancer to work on, if they could work on that to speed up the process of using their plugin. But overall, it's a good plugin if you're looking for that film emulation look, if you're aiming for that film look. It's a powerful product. Anyway, I'm not going to argue about the pricing. Everyone is entitled to their own opinion. But just think about it, the amount of power grades, we pay so much amount on power grades. There are good power grades out there, but if you want everything in one package, you might as well just save up. And this is a lifetime package. You're gonna have this for the rest of your life. So it's something to think about, it's something to weigh in and think about it. At the end of the day, I don't get paid. I'm not sponsored to say what I'm saying. I'm just saying my honest opinion. Before I go, I want to give a big shout out to Dehancer. They have their Dehancer Colorist Awards 2024. So if you want more information on their competition, please check their website. The submission deadline is the 16th of December. So if you haven't submitted your project that was color graded with a Dehancer plugin, please submit before the deadline. If you want more information on the competition, on the prizes, great prizes to be won, please check their website. I'm going to put all the information in the description below. And also, if you want to purchase their products, I have a 10% discount code in my description below. Just put the discount and get 10% off. This might be the opportunity to purchase one of their great products. So I just want to say shout out to Dehancer, and also thank you for watching this video. Anyway, like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think on the comment section about the Dehancer Pro. Maybe you have it, or maybe you have the light version. They also have a light version for $199, which is also a good thing if you don't want to purchase the expensive version. So let me know what you think about Dehancer. Are you going to purchase it, or what do you think about it? Just let me know your opinion and your thoughts in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe.